Just knocking back my smoothie, dates and greens. Now I get a lot of questions. People, I've got all these excuses why they can't get fit. Why they can't get on the fucking bike and ride to work. Why they can't do it. Doing right, I want to get fit, I want to get lean, but I don't want to fucking ride a bike because I can't fix a flat tyre. Well, check out Hector Pickard. This guy knows how to harden the fuck up. Hector personifies hardening the fuck up. Check this out.
Hi, my name is Hector Pickard, and recently I rode across the country to raise money for a little boy named Jameson Davis. It was called Hands for Baby Jameson. And I ran against all obstacles, and one of the obstacles I had to overcome was actually changing a flat tire. And I did promise Jameson I would teach him how to do that just using my feet, my stump, and my teeth. So here we go.
So next time you're feeling sorry for yourself, you got two options. Three options. Cry like a baby and get nothing done in your life. Second option, harden the fuck up. Third option, harden the fuck up, write down some goals, attack them every day.